This video walks you through the process of installing a Leviton single-gang touchscreen. First, disconnect power from the LumaCAN network. Next, pull the LumaCAN cables through the backbox opening or device ring, and then test the cables to ensure they are free from shorts and communication is sound. Now, locate the mounting bracket and secure it to the backbox or device ring. Confirm the bracket is level and sits flush against the wall, with the up arrow pointing upward. If the touchscreen is in the middle of a LumaCAN run, remove the pre-installed RJ45 terminator. Otherwise, leave it as is. Connect the LumaCAN cable or cables to the RJ45 connectors at the rear of the unit. Note: observe minimum cable bend radius during the installation process. Attach the touchscreen to the mounting bracket by holding at a slight angle out from the wall. Slide the touchscreen into the top channel, then push down onto the wall. Tighten the security screw through the hole at the bottom of the touchscreen and into the bracket. Power up the network and proceed to commission the device by a factory-certified technician. Adhering to these steps guarantees both safety and optimal performance throughout the installation.